In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now, and it's called WordHero, and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So now this has few similarities to PepperType, few similarities to Rytr, and few similarities to Jasper. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So now they have a limited time deal for just $89. So let me jump into the homepage of WordHero AI and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of WordHero AI. So as you can see, there are multiple options like business, marketing, social media. Okay, so in the business section, you can see book description, book titles. Then we have marketing ideas. Then we have product names, startup slogans, product descriptions, then brand name ideas. And in the marketing sections, as you can see, there is Amazon product description, blog conclusion, blog headlines, blog paragraph, that's in beta mode. And then we have blog outline, intros. Also, then we have the welcome emails, SEO description, lead magnets. There are multiple options. So when you go in the social media, so as you can see, personal opinion, video ideas, video description, video titles. And in the writing tool, as you can see, that's AIDA, copywriting formula, then analogy provider, bullet point expander. Then we have content rewriter, grammar corrector. There are multiple options. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go into the editor and I'll give you a demo on how you can create a content using WordHero AI editor. So as you can see, this is the editor here. Okay, and on the left hand side where you can see there are multiple options. So what I'm going to do is I'll just write the title like how to reduce weight at home. So on the left hand side you can select multiple options like blog headlines, intros, outlines. Then we have blog paragraph, that's in beta mode right now. So once you go in blog headlines, so suppose if you want to generate some headlines like say how to reduce weight at home, so I'll just click on write for me. See, so now it has generated multiple titles which you can use from. So let's say we copy one of the title, lose weight fast and easy, 3 simple steps. So I'll go back. Also you can create blog outline. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create blog outline like how to exercise at home using common household. Okay, so as you can see, so these are all the outline you can use for your blog. It's super easy to use. So now we'll just click on paragraph. Okay, so what you have to do is we have to generate paragraph. So we have to basically copy the outline and exactly for what topic we want the paragraphs, you have to enter the keywords there. As you can see, so this is the entire paragraph which you can use under the H2 heading. So I'll just copy paste it. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Now suppose say you want to write a paragraph for any other H2 heading, you just have to copy that H2 heading, again go to the paragraph, enter the keyword and it will give you the result. Now we'll just go to the blog conclusion. So suppose if you want a conclusion for this topic, you just have to enter the topic there. So lose weight fast and easy, simple steps. You just have to copy paste it in the conclusion. Or let's say how to lose weight using common households. So suppose if you want a blog conclusion for this topic, you just have to click on that and it will give you a few results here, so which you can use for your blog. So you just have to copy and you have to paste it. So there you go guys, WordHero is really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in WordHero, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.